to the innovators and problem solvers shaping tomorrow's business world. Are you ready to gain the expertise and global perspective to thrive in fast-changing economy? Then the Knust School of Business Master of Science programs are your platform to excel. Master of Science MSc. Our MSc programs are strictly run on weekends, giving you flexibility to study without disrupting your weekday professional or personal commitment. This means your weekdays remain yours for work, business, or family, while you dedicate weekends to advancing your education. Delivered through a FlexLearn modular hybrid approach, our programs combine engaging in-person classes with online component, ensuring convenience without compromising academic quality. Choose from strategic marketing, management and human resource strategy, corporate governance and strategic leadership, accounting and finance, logistics and supply chain management, procurement and supply chain management, business and data analytics, health entrepreneurship, marketing analytics, technology entrepreneurship, and information systems. Some programs such as MSc Air Transportation and Aviation Management and MSc Business and Data Analytics offer dual campus excellence, available in both Kumasi and Accra, with the same high-quality teaching at each location. Through our Global Exposure Package, you will engage with international conferences and industry leaders, while our professional recognition links you with respected bodies in your field. Our advanced learning and support environment provides research opportunities with our centers of excellence, including Kariska and the Oliver Tambo Center for Leadership and Organizational Effectiveness. Admission requirement. All candidates must possess at least a second-class honors lower division degree in relevant discipline from a recognized institution. Additional requirements apply for accounting specializations. Your future advances here at Knust School of Business, where great minds change the world. Apply now and transform your potential into impact. Visit our admissions page today and take your next step towards excellence.